May the Lord be with your boy, man. I'm about to do some dangerous shit. Hell nah. Hell nah. No willies, boy. I like living. Yes, sir. Boy trying to give me the Papa Willie. Crazy hell. So today we just practicing our leans on a new bike. See how comfortable we really feel on this hoe. I don't know who just texted me, but I'll see you when I see you. Real spiel. But yeah, practice our leans on a new bike. Hopefully we don't have to run. The bike is pretty much very warmed up. You got traction control? You know if you got traction control?
I don't know.
First gear. It don't look like it. Yeah, I don't think. You might not. You might not. Fucking hate this light. But we about to just go up down Westbrook Parkway. If you're in San Antonio, you know where that's at. So today I'm taking more of this video is I'm taking a beginner around this specific road because this is where I really learned to practice like my leaning and like at least get comfortable with leaning the bike a little bit more than I used to. This exact same road that I remember the first time somebody brought me out here to show me how to fucking just practice my lean. I want to mute my fucking phone real bad because this bling bling shit, in my ear is not it. So yeah, I'm gonna just try to see if I can give him some pointers on how to ride. What's up, brother? On how to ride and lean at the same time. Keep going. Just get in front of me. I mean, look, this is exactly how I was when the first person took me on this highway. This is where you really gain your confidence, and like, and it's not even like the turns are bad. It's just like enough to where it makes you uncomfortable as a beginner. You just have to take the turns with a little bit of speed, that's all. And just over exaggerate. He's staying too squared. He looks so fucking stiff. I wish he had a car though, so I could tell him like loosen up. Nah, it's a turn. He got locked in. Yeah, it's kind of hard to talk when I don't have like a mic to talk to him through, or like try to tell him what I feel like he should do for a beginner. He's taking every corner exactly how I took every corner when I first started riding. It's just like you have to get over the fear of leaning the bike. You have to just learn to trust the bike. And that's what I'm just trying to get him to do right now. You have to learn to trust the bike just a wee bit. Yeah, I hear you, Siri. Low battery. That does look sexy as fuck though. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna do a quick little pull and test my strengths. And I'm pretty sure he'll catch up eventually anyway, so I'll do second and 50. Hopefully we don't run into no issues. How the fuck did it get so dark out of nowhere? Enjoy the ride, man. Enjoy the ride. I think he's also doing what I used to do, where it's like I ride at a higher grid than I need to. Like he's on a 400 and like he was cruising at 60, and I think his RPMs were below at least 880, which is cool, but like I don't know if he's not trying to go fast at all, or he's just trying to pace himself or something. That lap. So I'm gonna just tell him we're gonna stop at the gas station because it is getting dark and I still have my tinted visor on. You good? Yeah, that was one. Kill your bike. Or you want to go into the gas station? Come on. How you feeling?
I never do nothing like that, bro.
Like what? Like what exactly? What exactly is new to you?
Just like getting ready for the turns.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like I was like, I'm trying to show you how to like prepare for the turns without going into it too fast. But then I'm trying to like get you to like at least keep up in the straights.
Yeah.
So once you get to the turn, you like practice braking fast. Cause braking fast is key. Yeah. That's literally it. So you can speed up as much as you want as long as you know how to brake fast. So like we can do like cause I just did the same shit with my partner in Houston where we just did like a whole day of drills in the fucking parking lot. And we just did tight turns, braking drills and shit like that on some football shit basically. So yeah, that's literally it. I was trying to see how comfortable you were, but you look stiff.
Yeah.
You look stiff. So I was trying to get you to like scoot your butt back.
Yeah.
That's why I was telling you like move your butt back a little bit and then drop your shoulders.
This is slow down. This is speed up. This is like half.
This is just pass me up. Like you can go. Like I want you to see how comfortable you was on that hub basically.
I'm new, bro.
Shit, I feel it. Bro, this the same place my partner took me to when I started. We just kept doing laps around this hole. Cause it makes you prepare for that turn no matter what. So
I just trust that I still
yeah, it's really just trust the bike. Cause this hoe don't want to fall. So the only way it's gonna fall is if you mess up. And as long as you trust in it, yeah. Cause that's what I had problems doing. I can't even trust water to float. So barely trusting the bike. So yeah, I feel you on that.